Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys like and subscribe the video. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So this is gonna be the finished product. So what you guys will get at the end, I think it's a pretty good looking logo. I didn't get and you can choose. It's fully customizable, the lighter and everything like that. Okay, so the first thing the only thing you really need is Pixar, but the fonts, you want to get Fonto because font is much better. So what I'm going to do here is speed to this this progress because all I'm doing is just adding. You want to make first thing is to make a grid. In the plain image, 800 by 800, and width and height, and that's like the size of the logo. Custom, and then go 800 by 800, and that's what you want. So the rest, like after this, is just me, the thing right font. So I have text, and all I'm doing is I'm not just doing E for this example because I think that would look best. I hope if you guys liked my last video, which was how to make like channel art, go ahead and tell me. I want to know like if that was good, and if it was good, then I will try to make another one. So, as for you, I'm adding E. I don't get the best font, so I'm just gonna skip through this. I'll see you guys when I pick up my font and everything. Okay, so I picked up my font. I'm just gonna add the letter E because that's what I'm using in this example. So yeah, it's the example I'm gonna be using for this video. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this one just like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and save it as an image. Doesn't matter, you can do PNG or you can do save image. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it as just a normal image. Doesn't really matter. And you're gonna go. So you're gonna go into, and you're gonna add your image. You can add like a. So it's basically gonna be a draw because that's where you can do the effects and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll up to my images and add that E image, just like that. And then I'm gonna swipe over from the I don't want that, sorry about that. So I'm just exit over this ad. So you're gonna scroll over to the draw tab and click on that, and that'll be the draw menu. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add. Now here I made a mistake in this clip. I did you want it to be the same layer. So you want to be a different layer, depending if you're going to erase a little bit of it. So you're going to add a circle, and and you want to make it stroke, and you want to make the thickness like all the way up. So I'm just going to skip to when I made the circle because it does take a while to like do my options and everything. Okay, so once I've gotten it, I'll just fill in ground with the erase and everything like that. Try to make it look nice and position it right. Now I'm gonna go and add a new layer and add an image, and I'm just gonna search for a grunge background. Now you can do this on the internet and you can find like a specific like a certain color you want. But I'm just gonna I like to make it Bing because Bing will have more results, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead on Bing. And you can scroll down and find one that you like. Some they have different colors. They're really cool backgrounds, like grunge backgrounds. They have a bunch of different, huge variety of options to choose from. So I'm just gonna choose from this one because it's red and it matches my style. And you're gonna go ahead and put it over the image, size it over your logo, and then go to the layers, and then go to the options, and you can change the opacity just to. And then you see what it says normal, you'll click on that, and you don't want to click on screen. So you want to click on screen, and that will make the image go over it. And it looks really nice. You can add like whatever background, whatever like overlay image you want, and all you have to do is apply, go next, and you can save it as an image, and you can use it anywhere you want. It's fully customizable, guys. I recommend it. If it's not like a gaming logo, it's more like a channel logo if you want to do it. Now, I think it looks really nice. So I'm gonna go and show you guys the finished product. That's the finished product. I think it looks really nice, and I think I like how it turned out. If you guys like it too, make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button and smash that like button as well. That would really help me trying to get a few subscribers. So please, you guys, this is the finished product. So I hope you guys liked it. See you guys. Just gonna let you guys do subscribe to my channel. I started YouTube a while ago. I'm trying to make high quality vids for you guys. So I currently have, I think, 3 videos out after this one. I'm trying to make high quality videos. If you do like the no commentary videos, make sure you guys tell me. I put a lot of work into these videos. So anyways guys, see you guys.